A-flat fours. So for those of you that have an older vehicle similar to the WRX here, you'll notice that some of the outside plastics will start to lose color and start to fade. There's a little trick you can do with a product that you've probably got in your garage or you can access pretty easily to restore some of that color and get it looking a little bit closer to what it was like coming from factory. So stay tuned and I'll show you what it is. Alright guys, so this is the type of plastic I'm referring to. You'll notice that it's kind of dull now, pretty faded. As I said before, this car's lived most of its life outside, but you'll notice a lot of older vehicles, the hard plastic will start to fade. I've got a little trick that'll take it from this to looking like this again, almost brand new from the factory. And guess what it is? So the good old tire shine. Most of you guys should either have some of this or have used it in the past, so it shouldn't be unusual to you. But how many of us have actually had a look at the back? You'll notice that aside from giving your tires a fancy shine, you can also apply it to your bumpers and your side moldings. So that's what I've done. I've put this on about a week ago, given it pretty much a brand new appearance there. And as I mentioned previously, it started life looking like this. So I'll take you through how to just apply it quickly. It's very easy, and then we'll see how it goes. So first thing as always, give it a good shake. Then we're going to open up the can. And we're going to start applying it. Alright guys, so through the magic of YouTube, I've already done all the black plastic moldings on my car. As I said, I had this original one on for over a week. It's still looking nice and fresh. Hopefully you've had some success on your car and brought your car back to life for less than $10.